Good morning, let's start a brand new day. Good morning to you. Wow.
We are on our way to have lunch with Rod's parents today, so...
Good morning.
You're such a goober head. But you're my goober head. So, we'll see you later.
Hey, just having a little lunch.
There's Dad.
Hi. Just having a little lunch with Rod.
You got anything to say to Tina?
Who, me?
Yeah.
I saw the baby, both the babies for the first time the other day, and they were just adorable.
How about you?
Hi.
You're kind of in the dark there. Now you got anything to say?
Hi.
Just hi.
This is my mom and dad. Describe yourself in one word.
Gorgeous. Depressed.
How about you? One word.
That's it.
Hilarious.
And I'm bubbly.
You're a sweetheart. That's what you
Aw,
are.
thank you. We'll see you later.
Bye.
Okay, here we are again. Our daily Walmart. Not our daily. It's our weekly.
Pretty much daily.
It seems like it's daily.
1, 2, 3.
You getting the right ones?
Yeah.
Yay.
3, 4.
Okay, sorry peeps if this bores you, but this is a normal life of a vlogger. Just our everyday life. Today's not real fun, but
1, 2, 3, 4,
we're doing what we have to do.
5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. One more.
Dog food. Haha, I got you on the floor.
Get some water.
Yep.
How many? 2?
2.
There is a mountain.
Alright, that was fun. Trip to Walmart.
You know, we usually don't have that much fun at Walmart. It's usually a lot more. Woo! Woo! Woo!
He is definitely a goober head. I told you guys that once already today. The temperatures changed a little bit here this weekend. They were in the 90s and now it's like 60, I think, if we're lucky right now.
I'm singing in the rain, just singing in the rain. What a glorious feeling, I'm happy again.
Random songs just for you. 'Cause it's rainy.
Blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah. Blame it on the stars that shine at night. Whatever you do, don't put the blame on you. Blame it on the rain, yeah, yeah.
Here comes the rain again, falling on my head like a new emotion.
Raindrops keep falling on my head. That's all I know, so you better go to you.
I guess it's my turn now. Let's see, do I know another rain song? How about you? Do you?
After the rain, washes away the tears and all the pain. Remember after the rain, you'll love again. Name the artist, name the song. You can't do it.
Oh boy. He has a song bank memory that's unbelievable. Can you think of any more Rain songs? Probably could, but I put him on the spot. Well, until next time. Till next time. See you later.
Bye.
Hi. It's raining men. Hallelujah. It's raining men. Yeah, man. It's raining men. Hallelujah. It's raining men. Yeah, man.